So, coming at you with a room tour of room 111 on deck 10, also known as room 1011. This is part of the retreat suite category. When you come in, you have a nice long hallway. You have your very roomy closet here. With double hanging racks, and we were able to get our luggage down. In the bottom, you have a full-length mirror here on the door as well. You have a nice long wall here, and as I mentioned, if you've watched my Travel Essentials 2023, we have these hooks that I ordered from Amazon. They come in a pack of 10. And they are magnetic, stick to the wall, so we use them to hang my purse, my husband's hat, etc., etc. To the left, we have the bathroom, nice generous sized bathroom. We have a full-size tub, nice CO Bigelow toiletries, rain shower, as well as body jets and a handheld. You have a separate water closet, which is very nice and roomy. And then we have a nice full double-sided sink with shelving space on either side, and a nice vanity here. Don't mind here. And then here, these mirrors, there are mirrors here in the bathroom, and they close. Hi. But they also open. You can open one side, or you can open both sides to have a full view of the ocean, which is really nice. We tend to keep them open. So coming out, we have a nice king-size bed with cubbies on both sides of the bed, so there's plenty of storage. Only one side has outlets, but you have both outlet and USB ports, and night lights, obviously, panning around. You have a desk here, just TV. This here is the refrigerator, and in the suite class you get mini bar included. Oh, and that's our welcome champagne that we drank one. We did drink our welcome champagne, but they brought us another one, so we have that one that we haven't opened yet. But the TV swivels out so that when you're laying in bed, you can still watch television, so that's great. And then you can flatten it out for when you're sitting on the sofa, which is to the left. So it's a nice chaise, very comfortable. And you have an extra little stool there, which also opens up for storage. Excuse me, in the table. We have a nice big deck. It's my husband sitting out there. If you're not familiar, that's Sporty Shorty 517 here on YouTube. And check out his channel. He talks all things sports. But you have the two chairs, and there's also a table out there with the two chairs if you wanted to eat out there, and a lounger. And it's really nice. These curtains, you can close them with they have the nice smart panel, and you can close the blinds with the touch of a button. And there they go. You can also control the temperature, the lights. This is full lights on. This is some of the lights on. Just dims the lights there. Or you can turn all the lights off at once from here. But I'm just gonna put them all back on. And again, just do a final pan around the bedroom, little seating area, desk, and then you have a nice hallway to the door. And this completes the room tour of room 10111, part of the retreat suites. And if you want to know more about staying in the retreat class, just let me know and I'll be happy to make a video on that as well.